Hey my friends, what's up once again? Thank you so much for clicking in this video and thank you Lord Jesus Christ for all of the blessings. For today, I'll share 12 lovely candidates from the Europe for the Miss World 2026. This is only the first batch. In random order, let's start with Wales. Helena Hawke, 20-year-old. She's so pretty. I love her smile. She got those brown eyes and the dark hair. She is neat to look at, and she's also using her time to help young people across her country. Next up, we have Malta, Nicole Spiteri, 23-year-old, where she's so gorgeous, she's chic, and her Beauty with a Purpose project is about raising awareness and providing care to homeless people. Well, I like her and I know her beauty is infectious and she's also got a height of 5'10". Next up, we've got Poland Mahatad, 21-year-old. Well, this darling is so divine. She's tall and she can speak so well. She's lovely. I like her and she helps initiatives for the senior citizens in her country. We have also Ireland, Kaumi Kenny, 25-year-old, which is a model, a volunteer. She can dance very well, curtain dance, pole dance, where her body is so fit and strong, and she got those stamina. She's also a fluent English speaker, and I can't wait what's next for her. Next up, my friends, we've got Belgium, Olga Lombardo. Well, this Belgian woman is chic. She got three roots in her blood. She got those Gabonese roots and the Belgian Italian roots also from her father. She's so stunning and she mesmerized me a lot. She got those curly hair, the perfect smile, which is a perfect mix of three descent. Next up, we've got France, Indira Ampiot, 21-year-old. Well, she's top 30 at Miss Universe 2024. She got those height of 5'10", and her project is about supporting people affected by cancer. And I just like her charisma. She is neat. I like her style. And I feel this woman can place. Let's continue with Gibraltar, Julia Horn, 26-year-old. She's an advocate for cancer awareness and grief. She's pretty, she's chic. I like her. She's got those charisma and that sweet persona. I wish her for her placement. Next up, we've got Czech Republic, Linda Gureka, 23-year-old. Well, she's supporting women with breast cancer. And why not Czech Republic again for the Miss World 2026 crown? What do you think? Well, she's pretty. She got the looks, the height. She's got the Barbie aura. I feel it. And she's warm and enigmatic. We've got also Albania, Alba Terta, 25-year-old. She's a medical student and she's got those green eyes and those curly strawberry blonde hair. She's pretty slim, but I like her to step up her game so that she can be noticed. Next, friends, we have Greece, Michaela Kasari, 19-year-old, young and beautiful. She's a student and she partners with non-profit organization to support family caregivers. Well, she got the looks. She's a fairy and I like her. Hopefully, she will give her confidence and overall performance. And we've got also Ukraine, Valeria Lisovska, 18-year-old. Well, she supports children, displaced families, the elderly, and animal shelters in her country. And also, she's stunning, pretty at a young age, and I like her to also step up her game. And the last for this video, we've got Croatia, Emma Helena Vikar, 23-year-old. Well, she's an advocate for a blue planet, and she got those blonde hair and the blue eyes. Well, she's mesmerizing, and her eyes are full of emotions, and it is striking. I just like to see her lovely beauty, and of course, I can't wait what's more of her. So that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll invite you to watch the part 2 of the strongest women from the Europe. Thank you so much once again, and God bless.